Hi friends, welcome to IT Automation with Python, AML and Self-Scripting courses video series presented by Narendra from Do with Python Technologies. In this video, I am going to cover how to learn any scripting language in a day. So, what are the clues to learn any scripting language in a day? See, if you are able to understand the following concepts, then we can write code in any language and you can learn that language concept in a single day. Then what are the concepts to learn any scripting language? Of course, they are applicable to even programming language. But here we are concentrating only on scripting language. So before going to start any language, first of all, you should know what is a variable and how to define that variable and how to read variable value from command line. Then next thing is you have to know how to print or display that variable value on command line. So if you cover these 3 points, then you are good with variables. Then you have to know what is operation and types of operators in that scripting language, so that you can able to perform some computations using that scripting language. Then what is conditional statement and types of that conditional statements in that scripting language. See, conditional statements are helpful to decide before going to compute some action. Based on some condition you will do that. So for that we will use conditional statements and you should know how to use them in a different scripting languages. Then after that you have to know what is a loop or iteration and types of loops in that scripting language, so that loops are helpful whenever if you want to do some action again and again immediately, then you are able to use that loop in that situation. Then what is a function and different ways to call that functions. See, basically function is a set of code or some blocks, some lines that is useful to do whenever if you want to do same action in different places, not immediately. Whenever if you want to do your action immediately again and again, then you will go with loops. But whenever if you want to execute some set of lines in a different places, then in that case we will go with function. Then after knowing this, you should know what is object and how to create an object or instance and what is the method. So these are like OOPS concepts. Okay, some of the scripting languages are supporting with OOPS and some of them they are not supporting. So if it is supporting, then you should know what is object and how to create object or instance and what is the method in that. After that you have to know about modules or libraries or packages. See, modules or libraries or package nothing but predefined code. Already some code is there. That code may be for different actions or different tasks. You have to know how to use that module or library or package in that scripting language. So if you complete these concepts, then you can learn any scripting language in a day. So if you have overall idea about these concepts, at least if you know one language, one scripting language, then concepts are similar. The only difference is in other scripting languages, the syntaxes. If you are able to remember that syntaxes, then you can write your code, your scripting language code in any scripting language. Okay. So why we are discussing these points? Why we are learning scripting language? Because finally the motto of scripting language is automation. Okay, and we are providing online classes for automation like general automation, AWS automation, that is cloud, and entire infrastructure automation using Ansible. So in order to complete these automations, you should know any one of the scripting language like Python scripting, shell scripting, AML scripting, or Ansible playbooks. Ansible playbook is nothing but a AML script. If you know any one of these scripting language, then you can do some automation in your IT, in your infrastructure. Okay. See, basically, complete automation is not possible only with your scripting. With the help of scripting, what possible is, suppose if you want to perform some task, and in order to perform that task, suppose you require 30 steps. Instead of running each step one by one 30 times, you will place all your 30 steps in a script, and with single step just you will execute your script, and your script will take care about your execution of 30 steps. That is not complete automation. Of course, that is automation, but that is not complete automation. Okay, then how complete automation can be achieved? See, first thing, anyway, to complete your automation, you should know scripting. But complete automation can be done with scripting and configuration management tools like HPSA, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Salt. Some tools are there. Using scripting as well as configuration management tools, you can able to do complete automation. Suppose if you know only scripting languages, then you are able to run your code only on one server one by one. Suppose if you are having 3 servers, just assume 3 or 4 or 100 servers, thousands of servers, you can able to run each time only on one server. You just go to log into that server and copy your script to that server, onto that server, and there you have to run your script. Same way, let me take one more server. Again, you have to copy your script to this server. There you have to execute. Then here. So even though if you're having script, manually you have to run your script on each and every server. Now instead of running your script on each and every server, we are using configuration management tools like this one, HPSA, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Salt. Nothing is there. You will install any one of these software, either HPSA, Ansible, Chef, Puppet on one server, and your entire infrastructure servers, all servers will be connected to this software, and here you will run your script, and this tool will run your script on all servers at a time, so that you can able to do complete automation. Okay, so simply configuration management tools are helpful to run your code on your required servers at a time. See, sometimes you want to run your script on all your infrastructure servers, you can run it at a time, or based on some requirement you need to run, you need to execute your script only on certain set of servers. You can manage them that in your tool while executing your script. So before running your code or script on all servers through configuration management tools, right? You should know how to write a scripting language. See, even though if you are having configuration management tools, without scripting concept, you can't complete the automation, right? Not to do complete automation, you should know scripting very well, as well as something about your automation tools, configuration management tools like this one. Okay, so general automation generally can be done using Python and shell scripting, and these scripts you can run on all your servers and entire on your infrastructure, right, using any one of the configuration management tools. Okay, suppose if you take Ansible, in Ansible you can write, instead of Python and shell, you can write some AML script, because Ansible is supporting AML. Okay, you can write AML script and you can do your automation, complete automation you can do with AML scripting and Ansible tool. Writing AML code is very easy compared to other scripting languages, but that is easy if you know only about Python scripting, because its structure, its data collection is 100% equals to Python scripting data structures like list, dictionaries. So list in AML is called sequences, and dictionaries in your Python, in your AML, they are called as maps. If you are good with Python, then you can write AML script in a simple way, and you can understand very well about AML scripting if you are good at Python scripting. So guys, we are providing these three scriptings from our institute, that is do with Python Technologies. If you are interested, then you can contact through, or you can reach us with this number or with this email ID. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel so that you will get notifications whenever we post some new videos. If you have any queries, you can reach us with the following contact details. Okay guys, bye.